Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this black kind of smoky eye, but I've still kind of kept it warm because I didn't want it to be too dark, if that makes sense, because I feel like if I have too much black, because I have thick black eyebrows too and black hair, I just feel like it's a bit too overwhelming, so I don't like to have a full-on black eye, like, you know, with all the grey and charcoal colours. Like I feel like I don't suit that. I use two palettes for this look, and they are Tarte Clay Play and the Morphe brushes 15 and I use none other than the Spectrum collection brushes. I will state which one I'm using as I'm going along. I've done my base. You guys all know how I do my base, so without further ado, I'm going to get started into this tutorial. Another thing, guys, I did use false lashes, so I will show you which ones I used as I went along. So I'm gonna pick up my Spectrum B06 and pick up this colour here. Just place it on the top. Not going too out because otherwise it's going to be hard to rectify. I am taking a bit high because, as you can see, this one's higher too, but I don't want to take it too high where it's like touching the brow bone, and I'm kind of bringing it in. If you look out, that one does go out a bit, so just bringing that out like so. Also kind of sweeping it a bit underneath, but not too much because I'm going to go back in later. So just like that. Now I'm picking up the A12 pencil brush and I'm picking up the colour Shook, and I'm going to take this underneath. I'm going to kind of pat it on and then blend it out later. Go back in with that same brush that we started with. I'm just going to blend it together. Now I'm going in with the colour Ox, or what you call it, and I'm going to first put this on, pat it on my eyelid. Kind of really pigmented, so I'm not picking up too much just yet. I just kind of want to place it first, and then I thought I smashed it, and then go in with it into that because it's really pigmented. And I feel like sometimes if you place black in your clay in a certain area, it's hard to move it. Okay, now I'm picking up a very dirty Real Techniques base shadow brush, and I'm picking up that black colour again, and I'm going to go over it to smudge out, or should we say blend? Blend's probably a more makeup word. by the way guys, I've tried out a new foundation and I'm actually quite liking it. It looks really good on camera, but I'm not too sure how it's going to last throughout the day. So after this video, maybe recording a review video on this foundation. So far I think I've waited about 3 hours and set it with powder and stuff, so we'll see how we get along. Pick up my pencil brush and pick up the colour Ember and just sweep that underneath my lash line. Just like so. Like that. I'm gonna pick up some mascara. Obviously it's a Maybelline Falsies. Just a tiny bit on the top ones. Because I feel like sometimes when you put on lashes you can see, like, you know, all the shadowy dirty lashes from underneath, so that's why I just like to apply some coats. Just need this lash glue. Look how horrible this lash glue looks, by the way guys. Can you see? If I go in focus, this foundation actually full on matches my neck. Sorry guys, got a bit carried away. But I'm actually liking this foundation, you know, and it was real cheap. These are my very used Eyeshadow whiskies. I'm just going to take a bit of this Bourjois Plum eyeshadow stick and just put some in my waterline. It's not really visible, but it kind of looks like a bit shiny metallic-y. All done. And that's the finished look guys. I'm actually really proud because I thought this was going to be a really long video and I've still got 6 minutes and like 18 seconds left. Anyway, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please do give it a like and do subscribe to my channel. Do leave your thoughts and opinions down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.